Think you know animals? Here are 5 rare facts that'll blow your mind. Fact 1. The axolotl can regrow its legs, spine, and even parts of its brain. Scientists are studying it to unlock the secrets of regeneration. Fact 2. The pistol shrimp snaps its claws so fast, it creates a bubble hotter than the surface of the sun, over 4,800 degrees Celsius. That bubble stuns or kills its prey in an instant. Fact 3. The saiga antelope looks like it came from another planet. Its big, flexible nose filters out dust and helps it breathe in harsh climates. Fact 4. The kakapo is a giant flightless parrot that only comes out at night. And get this, it uses deep bass-like booms to attract a mate from miles away. Fact 5. The blue dragon is a tiny sea slug that feeds on venomous jellyfish and stores their venom to use as a defense weapon. Which animal blew your mind the most? Like and follow for more wild facts from the animal kingdom.